Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying core prerequisites. Run Flutter Doctor and fix any red issues so the toolchain is reliable. Once done, make sure an emulator or device is connected and that Android/iOS licenses are accepted. Open your project and inspect PubSpec. YAML for missing packages, then run FlutterPub get to fetch dependencies. You do this now because dependency mismatches cause many runtime and build errors. Resolving them early prevents cascading failures as you proceed. You should reproduce the error with Flutter Run or Flutter Build and read the stack trace to find the originating file and line. Once you have the trace, run Flutter Analyze to surface static issues and null safety conflicts. Fix type or null checks rather than suppressing warnings. If packages cause errors, pin versions in PubSpec. YAML or incrementally upgrade with FlutterPub Upgrade Major while testing. This targeted iteration narrows root causes and prevents introducing new regressions. Finish by clearing build caches. Run Flutter Clean, remove PubSpec. Lock if needed, then FlutterPub get and rebuild. Make sure to test in profile and release modes and execute widget and integration tests so platform-specific errors surface. Once done, validate runtime on real devices and review performance. If problems persist, capture verbose logs with verbose and create a minimal reproducible example to isolate the bug. This both speeds debugging and lets you ask targeted questions when seeking help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.